I've been looking at this bumper for a while and figure out how I want to repair it. I'm pretty sure I want to build up a layer of fiberglass over all these cracks. And maybe we should look at the backside and put some fiberglass on the backside too, because I don't know the thickness of this. I will grind down a bit before I lay the fiberglass on it, but I don't want it too thin. So maybe we have to put some fiberglass on the inside too. And to reach the inside, we have to take a big hole in the backside to see what's in there. I will show you. Here are all the cracks. And it's somewhere in here we want to look. And maybe we want to look at this area too. So this area and this area I want to cut open somehow. I don't know the best way to cut this open, but I think it's straightforward to just cut a big hole here and maybe one over here too, and see what's inside. After we've done that, we will figure out how to put this together again, but I think this is not the problem. It's not the hardest thing. So let's cut it open and see what we find there. Looks nice. I should get the flashlight. Here it is. Let's see. Here is the area where I have grinded away. I think we will cut another hole here and see what we got. I maybe can reach it from here, and I maybe don't need some fiberglass there, but the black stuff we see there, I don't like that. So I want real fiberglass on fiberglass, nothing else. Oh, take a look. I think we will take a look behind this one too. I don't remember these aluminium consoles here, but we will take a look and see what's under. Why is it done like that? Perfect. This will be good. First I took sandpaper and rug up the surface. Now I'm cleaning it with some acetone. There are some gel coat cracks here, and we will take care of them later. First I just wet out the surface with polyester. Now the fiberglass has cured and we are ready to take care of the other side. Let's see, up here. I will grind down this part a bit more and a bit on the other parts too, because I want to lay a layer of fiberglass over all these small cracks. I will not grind down through this fiberglass, but almost, and by laying new fiberglass we protect it so the cracks don't go through the paint in the end. So that's the plan. I bought I've been using 450 gram fiberglass, but now I bought some 300 grams and I will use that on this repair on the outside. So now I've been grinding this down a bit so I can put the layer of fiberglass without building it too thick, because I have to smooth this out without having a strange formation here. Same with that and that one. And I also grind it down here on the inside and the outside. I will reinforce this corner. It looks like it maybe had beginning to a crack there. Something like that. And I did something on the inside there, you can see. So I will reinforce on the inside and the outside here. And I think it will be good. So we take... I'm almost out of, I think this will be enough, but I'm almost out of polyester. We will put this bit over here and this bit over there and this bit over here. They are a bit big, but we will grind it down. I can make this one a bit smaller, I think. It's unnecessary too big here. Just rip it apart. If you rip it apart, you get a smooth transition. That will be good. That's okay. And this one will be okay, so.
Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.